Alright, a couple nylon washers. Get down in the drawer section of your hardware store. Probably, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what your hardware store is like. Couple nylon washers. Now I'd looked at trying to adjust the door, but only this door adjusts in height. This one is static. And I tried a few different things, but really the best one and the easiest was these nylon washers. Just bring this plate down, I don't know, probably two millimeters, something like that, and it has been in there and solid ever since. Works like a champ. That's probably, it's been easy a year, probably a couple years. Just works like a champ now. Quick and easy fix. Love that kind of. Bye-bye.